Nĩ ũmwe wa athaki arĩa me gatũ mũno gabira-inĩ ka magũrũ makiria kũrĩ macambĩki a kirabu kĩa Liverpool, kuona nĩ njorua ya tene ya kirabu gĩkĩ akĩrũgamĩra namba ithatu murugamo-ini wa athaki arĩa manaingiria mbao nyingi makiria, na ti ũngĩ nĩ Muthaki Robbie Fowler ũrĩa ũrĩ gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. Na hatarĩ kũrĩa marĩgu, Fowler agatũtarĩria ũrĩa rũgendo rwake gabira-inĩ ka magũrũ rwanjĩrĩirie.
I loved football, I always wanted to be a football player, but you never really know what level you're going to get to. So, I think it's testament to myself that, as much as, you do need a little bit of talent, you need a lot of luck, but you've also got to be, proper dedicated. You've got to practice all the time. And I did that. So, I think I'm probably proof that, if you work hard at something, and you really want it, then you can go out and do it. I don't proclaim to be the best player that's ever been, but I've had a great career through football. And that was all because I wanted it, I give it my all.
Kĩambĩrĩria-inĩ Robbie Fowler arĩ cambĩki wa kirabu kĩa Everton, na thutha ũcio anjĩrĩria gũthaka akĩingĩra kirabu kĩa Liverpool. Hihi nĩkĩ gĩatũmire acenjie mũrugamo wake?
When you say, in Liverpool, it's, half of my family were Everton fans and half of my family were Liverpool fans. So that's what it's like in Liverpool. And I grew up obviously an Everton fan, but I signed for Liverpool when I was 11, so I was changing to a Liverpool fan when I was 11, and I was lucky enough to play through all the the youth teams, academy teams, and play first team. And I'm a massive Liverpool fan now. So as much as I think it was my family's fault that I was an Everton fan, I speak to them now, so we're okay.
Harĩ mamwe ma maũndũ marĩa anerirĩria gwĩka nĩ gũkũria taranda cia mbeũ njĩthĩ, na gũkĩrĩ ũguo agatarĩria muoroto wake mũnene icera-inĩ rĩrĩ.
We're starting the whistle all the football now, as you can probably hear. So we're starting a bit of a campaign. It was like a super fans campaign, getting everyone together and coming to facilities like this and watching all the kids and maybe getting them more infused in football and getting them to enjoy it more and who knows, look, we might be seeing absolute stars of the future playing here today, and that's what I'm about, just try and get myself and obviously a few of the Harambe stars, getting them into the football here and seeing if the kids can aspire to what we've become.
Muthia?
Sort of any country can learn from, certainly from the UK, and we've been about for years. Football is obviously not new, and it's not new over here. But I think what we've always done right, we've always got the grassroots level. Not always spot on, but I think it's as good as anywhere in the world. And I think when you're trying to make footballers of the future, you don't necessarily go straight in at the top, and make everyone this great player. I think it starts from the kids. So I think what we're seeing today, you look around and there's all the kids sort of enjoying the football, and and that's what it's all about.